But now to remember Rickettsia, let me tell you funny stories. Why do I say funny stories? Funny stories are not like you will be laughing them at the intelligence. You will be smiling them at the stupidity. Because the more the stupid a story is, the easier for us to laugh. The more we laugh, the less the stress we'll have in trying to remember stuff. Now let me tell you the first story. What is the beauty of men? Men are slightly less careful than that of women is what the general stereotyping happens. Apart from that, men can love shoes, men love cars, men love belts, men love wallets, and also men love bikes. Now imagine we have a bike called as Kawasaki Ninja bike. This bike is a very powerful bike, and the bikers have one important quality. They always wash and clean their bikes very efficiently, even though they may or may not take proper bath. So a long-term biker, you're not supposed to take the helmets off them because they might not have actually washed their helmets properly. So washing off themselves maybe less. So their hair may contain dandruff and may have lice infestation. Just the story of these bikers. Now when they ride a bike, they have to have proper gear. They have helmets being worn properly. They'll be having gloves. They'll be wearing shoes to navigate through the traffic by using the bike. If at all this biker wants to sit on the bike, will he sit on the bike or under the bike? Obviously, nobody sits under the bike, people sit on the bike. On in Latin has a prefix called as ap. On speaks about ap. Now, let me rephrase this particular story to help us understand the link for a Rickettsia learning. Kawasaki bike sounds like Prowazeki. There is an organism called as Rickettsia Prowazeki. And because they are not washing their hair properly, they may have dandruff, which doesn't actually matter to us right now, but they may have lice infestation. The vector that transmits this particular organism would be louse. And when they are taking care of their bikes very clearly, they will wash them clearly, they'll be wearing gloves and shoes. Generally, rickettsial infections are supposed to produce cutaneous rash of vasculitis. So, this vasculitis can be present all over the body except in case of palms and soles. So, sparing of palms and soles can be noticed in case of Rickettsia Prowazeki infections. So we have gotten what we need. Rickettsia Prowazeki will be transmitted by louse vector producing rashes everywhere except in case of palms and soles.